Brand, Apple. Model name, Apple Watch SA. Style, S/M fits. 140/190 mm wrist. Color, midnight aluminum case with midnight sport band. Screen size, 44 mm. Special feature, sleep monitor, activity tracker, voice control, GPS heart rate monitor. Shape square. Target audience, unisex adult. Age range, description, adult. Compatible devices, iPhone. About this item. Why Apple Watch SE? All the essentials to help you monitor your fitness, stay connected, track your health, and stay safe. Now up to 20% faster, with features like crash detection and enhanced workout metrics. It's a better value than ever. Easily customizable, available in a range of sizes and colors, with dozens of bands to choose from, and watch faces with complications tailored to whatever you're into. Health and safety features. Get help when you need it with crash detection, fall detection, and emergency SOS. Get deep insights into your health, including notifications if you have an irregular rhythm or an unusually high or low heart rate. Simply compatible, it works seamlessly with your Apple devices and services. Unlock your Mac automatically. Find your devices with a tap. Pay and send money with Apple Pay. Apple Watch requires an iPhone 8 or later with the latest iOS version. Swim-proof and stylish, water resistant to 50 meters. 3 finishes. And a redesigned color match back case made with a new production process that reduces its carbon emissions over 80%. Apps on your wrist, with access to tens of thousands of apps on the App Store, right on your wrist. Apple Watch is the perfect personal device for whatever you love to do. A powerful fitness partner, the Enhanced Workout app gives you new ways to train and advance metrics for more information about your workout performance. And Apple Watch comes with 3 months of Apple Fitness Plus free. Stay connected, send a text, make a call, listen to music and podcasts, use Siri or call for help with emergency SOS. Apple Watch SE GPS works with your iPhone or Wi-Fi to keep you connected. AppleCare, every Apple Watch, comes with 1 year of hardware repair coverage through its limited warranty and up to 90 days of complimentary technical support. Get AppleCare Plus to extend your coverage and reduce the stress and cost of unexpected repairs. Legal disclaimers. This is a summary of the main product features.